From Mumbai University, I welcome all of you TYBA BSc Geography student. Our second topic. The topic name is natural resources. So we divided these topics in two parts. Now we will see the first part of this topic. Okay. So introductions. In the previous chapter, we have learned the definition of the environment geography along with the nature and scope, factors of environment, and the relationship between the man and environment. Also, we have discussed the ecosystem, its meaning, components, and functions, various types of geochemical cycle, and ecosystem. Where also we also studied in the previous chapters. In this chapter we will study the concept of resources, and the first followed by the classification of resources and environmental problem associated with the forest. Next we will learn the conservation and sustainable of the resources like water, minerals. In later part of the second unit, biodiversity, its concept, its type also, along with the hotspots of the biodiversity and biodiversities in India, with emphasis on a Western Ghat, we will be studied. Okay. Then subject discussions. The well-being of our society depends on the resources provided by the earth. Typical resources are uh, we can say merchandise, energy, services, staff, knowledge, or other uh, assets that are the transform to the procedure, benefit, or satisfaction of a human beings. This is a natural stuff. You need some technical skill are found in extract it forms of nature. They are on order to become a resources that the things are sustainable must be processed. Two properties, that is the functionality and the utility. The explanations of the nature and natural resources can be uh, dated back to advent of mankind and the very start of the civilizations. But the present increase in the population along with the industry's growth has given rise to an unlimited use of resources. Thus, the disappearing ecosystem and existing resources. Due to deforestation, the world lost more than 20 million acres of forest are every years. Thus, we should try to almost to reserve the deforestation and protect the world's remaining forest intact. The plants and the animals and the beasts of the forest that remain becoming the increased valuable, sometimes even the communicated to extinctions. Water resources are playing considerable role in a social economic development of any region. Water issues affect us as well as it's estimated to the below 900 million people lack reliable access of the safe water worldwide. A thriving ecosystem depends on water immediately release on the mining waste can be also affected habitat. Therefore, we should take a conscious efforts for the conservation and sustainable use of resources. From a human perspective, proper utilization of natural resources, we learn to what I say, oh, we learn to increase the wealth and meet our needs for a broader biological and ecological perspectives. A resources satisfies the needs of living organism. Then we will go to see the concept of resources. The concept in these resources, we will see the definition of resources. An encyclopedia of the social science defines the resources as those aspects of humans and environment which facilitate the satisfaction of a human wants and attainments of a social objective. According to Michael, natural resources may be defined as those resources which are provided by nature and which are useful to man. So the Fishers turns the resources as anything that can be used to satisfy a need or desire. Zimmerman says that define resources as the features of a environment which are considered to a capable of serving man's needs. So he further elaborate the word resources does not refers to things are sustainable but to a function which thinking of sustainable may perform or to be an operation in which it's make take a part, namely the function of attending a giver each such as a satisfying I want. In other words, the word resources, the word resources, it is an abstraction reflecting the human appraisal and relating the to functions of the operation. The elements of nature are not resources until the people have found a value of them, according to the Zimmerman. Therefore, an elements in a nature and it's a natural stuff until there has been found a value and a technical skill to extract it from nature. In order to become a resources, things are sustenance must be processed two properties, function and utility. So we all knows that the bountiful resources and the gift of the nature which satisfy the material and spiritual needs of a human. In the order, the words may be material which are valuable and useful of a humans is called resources. These resources include the physical features like lands, water, soil and mines. Biologically living like vegetations, wildlife and fisheries. In the fact, every material has some utility of human beings, but it is utility of possible or availability of the appropriate technology. For example, or a certain we can say coal and petroleum we present below the earth's surface, but the technology for the utilization has been developed recently. This material turn into the resources only when they could be used. It is therefore the human ability needs which create the resources value than the importance of resources. The above discussion shows the importance of resources. So what are the first is resources from the backbone of the economy of a nation. Without land, water, forest, air, minerals or cannot be developed agriculture and industries. Second one is the constitute nature environment like air, water, forest in a various form which are essential for a human survival and a development. By using the nature and natural resources, the human created their own worlds of houses, buildings, means the transportation, communication, industries, etc. These are also very useful along with the natural resources, and these human made resources essential for the development. So then the nature of the resources. The nature of the resources is varied due to its value, various nature as being overuse and need to conserve. According to Zimmerman, the resources are the function and the dynamic in the nature. Man utilizes the resources to fulfill his primary needs. With the increase of needs and to fulfill those, he needs to exploit the resources, which keeps the process or procedure consists the turn make the nature resources functionality and dynamic. Then the limit and the unlimit. Limit and the unlimit. The deposited of resources which reduct with their daily use vanish after a special period and is called limited resources or exhibited resources like fossil fuel mineral. On the other hand, the availability of the some resources is unlimited. Then consult and non-consulted use of resources is related to the development of a science and technology. Ancient man did not know how to use the resources. Hence, in the old age, the resources remain unused and conserved in a nature. Today, Today, with the development of technology, man has been able to use the resources to fulfill his need, and thus the resources has become non-consolidated. So, then we will see move to another slides, that is a classification of resources. The resource can be classified in the following ways on the basis of origin, that is in a two parts, that is a biotic resources are obtained from the biosphere and have a leaf such as human beings, flowers, fisheries, livestock, etc. Abiotic resources are uh, composed by non-living things, that is rock and minerals. Second one is on the basis of exhibitory, and that is a renewable, continuous and biological. Non-vegetation, that is a forest, wildlife. Non-renewable, that is a recycled resources, that is a uh, metal is non-recyclable used. On the basis of ownership, individual, community, national, international. On the basis of a status of a development, potential, develop, stock and reserve. Okay. Then on a basis of distribution or available on of resources, unique resources and localist resources. Then the different types of resources are discussed below. That is the one biotic resources. Biotic resources are obtained from the biosphere and have a life such as a human being, flower, fisheries, livestock, etc. Abiotic resources are composed on a non-living thing, that is rocks and minerals. Renewable resources are renewable or repla- uh, replenishable resources which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or a mechanical process, that is a solar and wind energy, water, forest and wildlife, etc. Renewable resources may be further be divided into continuous or flow resources. Continuous or flow resources, that is wind and water. Biological resources which have a two type. One is natural vegetation, that is a forest, and second is a wildlife. Then second one, non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources form our substantiality long geological time, that is a mineral and fossil fuel. Non-renewable resources can be subdivided into recycled resources, that is a material. Non-recycled resources, that is a fossil fuel which cannot be recycled by get in enhanced with their use. Then the individual resources. Individual resources are the resources that are owned privately being individually, that is landowner by a farmer. These land are allotted by the government agent and the payment of the renewal. Then the plantation, pleasant land, ponds, water in wells owned by the individuals. Plots, house, other properties owned by the people in the city, etc. Then the community. Community resources are resources accessible to all the members of a community. Example, village communities such as grazing ground, then village ponds or etc. People park, picnic spot and playgrounds in an urban area. National resources are all the resources that being to a national example, that is a road, canals, railways, etc. Minerals, water resources, forest, wildlife, etc. Land with the political boundaries, territorial waters and resources with the territorial water refers to the oceanic area up to the 12 nuclear miles. So means 19.2 kilometer for the coast. Then international resources. International resources are regular by the certain international industries. The oceanic resources beyond 200 kilometers, 200 kilometers of the exclusive economic zone belonging to open ocean, or no individual countries can be utilized this without co-curriculum, co-nuclear and international industries. Then the potential resources. The potential resources are resources found of in a region which have not been utilized, such as the state of Gujarat and Rajasthan. Wind and solar energy develop the potential availability. Then what we say, the developed resources. The developed resources are resources that have been survived by the determined for utilization, both qualitative and quantitative. The development of resources depend on the technology and level of the facility. Then the stock. The stock refers to material in an environment which have the potential to satisfy the human needs, but being to do have the appropriate technology to access these. We know that the water is the component of the two influenceable gases, that is the hydrogen and oxygen. If we have a required technical known how to the cloud be used a resource of energy, thus it is considerable as a stock. Then the reserve, resources that we call reserve as the subset of the stock. These are yet to be put into use of the help exists in the technical knowledge. This may be utilized to meet the further requirement along with the river water can be used for the generating hydrological power. It is being utilized only to a limited extended at present. So the water is in the dams and in a reserve which can be used in the future. Unicate resources are found everywhere, that is sunshine, air, water, etc. Localized resources local resources are found at some particular places such as petroleum, uranium, iron, ore and all the other mineral resources, etc. These are the then we will move to our next point, that is the environment problem associated with the forest. So down to age only 20% of the world forests have remained intact. Half of them have already been disappeared. The causes of deforestation vary from the region to region. Agribusiness, illegal logging, mining, building roads, those are forests, flooding of upstream forests by hydrological dams and many other reasons lies behind the deforestation. A disappearance of the forest has might the deharvesting effects on the life of ecosystem. A huge consequence are seen in environment. Scientists opine the spatial loss were an area of the total deforestation. Immunisable environment problems are associated with the forest deforestation. That is a spatial exactions. There may be a spatial extractions when an area is deforested and many animals are insecret lost their habitat. Flora and fauna across the world are accessed from their habits. This hyperhazards clearance of the forest has forecast survival of these animals to shift from their national environment. Due to this survival spatial and finding the difficulties to survive or adapt to a new habitats. The tropical rainforest hold over half of the earth. The biodiversity and many animals living in their required specific living conditions are inhabits only a small area. Therefore, everywhere a renewable small area is cleared on a spatial can go exist. Climatic imbalanced. Deforestation affects the climate in a more than other ways. Trees release water vapor in air, which is computerized on the which the lack of trees. Trees also provide the required shades and keep soils moist. The leads to a in atmospheric temperature, further making the condition for the ecological difficulties. The climatic changes includes the global warming, which consists of deforestation, and the ratio of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere has been increased, adding to our global warming host. Trees plays a major role in contributing the global warming. Trees hold a large amount of carbon, greenhouse gases, and release into the atmosphere when the forests are cleared. These gases contributed the global warming. The trees utilize greenhouse gases, restoring the balance in the atmosphere. Wherein the higher atmosphere carbon dioxide levels can be make growing season longer and cause some areas to experience more droughts. Warmer weathers may also change the rate of which incite the inflection and causes distract the storm across. While wildfires result from the warmer wealth, it is a threat especially during the drought. Then the soil erosion. The shade of the trees keep the soil moist. With the clearly the tree covers, the soil of the direct explode to the sun, making the it's dry. Farming also remove the nutrients from the soils. Bare areas erode away easily and lost the topsoil. Further, most the nutrients in the forest are stored in the trees. So some of the stored in our other plants and animals. These nutrients return to the soil to be used by the plants when the decomposition occurs, but it plant material is removed during the deforestation and a process will be never happen. Then the water cycle changes. When the rain trees absorb the store a larger amount of water with the help of their roots, but with the less shades and fewer roots in the soil. The ground holds the less moisture, especially in rainforest, as less moisture is evaporating. Other these is also a less moisture to accumulate overhead and fell down to the reach which the land and drive where the warmer area and temperature. When the rain falls on the deforested area, fewer plants and present their absorb it. So more of water runs off into the nearby bodies of the water. If the soil contains mineral fertilizer of agriculture, the runoff will be pulled nearby, acquired the ecosystem. Moreover, due to lack of trees, the flows and water is dissipate the leads of floods in some areas and drought in others. The loss of scientific opportunities. So organisms like plants and other use of sources of medical advantage of the humanities. Hence, loss of them may be lead to loss of the spatial opportunities. Then, then the contamination of the forest ecosystem. The meaning contamination forest ecosystem will be pollution and runoff, fire and pathogen threats. The parasites and the pathogens may be affect life forms of all types of forest on the large scale. Pathogens may also cause The loss of some of or some or all members in the neither a spatial where there is a wild field life resection and other human activities near the forest. It maybe leads to fire. As a result, pathologists level the forest get increased. Conservation of forest. Conservation of forest. So, apart the prevailing the world forest, also direct control the floods, drought, soil erosion, etc. Hence, the conservation of the forest is of what I say vital importance globally. Environment scientists have obtained the material trees release oxygen, check the air pollution, control moistures and prevent water pollution, prevent the soil erosion and increase the soil fertility, provide the shelter to birds and nests. Then the forest conserve is a participant of the planning and maintain the forest area for the benefit of the sustainable and further generation. Forest conservation involve the upkeep of the natural resources with a forest that the beneficiate to the both human and ecosystem. Some steps toward the conservation of forest resources that we have mentioned here A to G, that is a regulated and planned city of the trees. Communication feelings of the trees, it's one of the main resources of deforestation. It is estimated that about 1,600 million cubic meters of the wood and has been used diverse purposely. Global cutting of the trees must be regulated by the adopting all following materials such as clear cutting. The clear cutting method is used for the area where the some types of the trees are available over the large area, so the trees of the same age group can be cut down in a selected area that mankind replants. Select the cutting in the selecting the cutting on the material trees are selected for the cutting flowing rotation process. In the regard, cutting only 1/10 of the forest area in a selected of the rotation system is always flawed by their procedure. Then the reforest and afforestation. The reforestation and afforestation are the both possibility. Afforestation is a planning of the trees in the area where was no forest, and reforestation it is a sustainable of a forest cover, either natural or artificial. Protection of the forest. The existing forest should be product unrecognized gathering in also responsible for deforestation. Moreover, several forests deserve the resulting for the parasitic fungi, races, viruses, and it's also causes of destruction of the trees. Therefore, the forest should be protected by using the chemical and spray and antibiotic development of deserve races stream of the trees, another way to protect. Okay, proper utilization of forest and forest product, that is the most important thing. So there is a need to utilize the waste material, increasing the stump limb branches of the foliages, because these are the usually left out as worthless debris after cutting the trees of a long. Wastage is also accumulated in a miles. Nowhere there is a development of several use of product like waterproof gloves can be obtained. Furthermore, forest can be used develop as the tourist center. Sustainable foreign exchange may be on. Government of the different countries has come up with the concept of the national park and a game sanctuary. That is a good method of the forest conserving in India also. Along these are maybe 19 national parks and game sanctions control forest fire. So earliest the possible steps should be taken to the control forest fire, so forest can protect from the same. In 1960 forest fire have been noted numerous places across the Indian state of the Uttarakhand. Role of government in the forest conservation. The government of the every country is very particular about the conservation of its forest resources. So each countries have several rules, laws, and protection of the forest. But the southern parts is that there are not always a implication in an effective manner. Thus, the government might take the proper steps to control the communication logging by impairing higher amount of taxes over it. Increasing of use of sustainable product. Increasing the use of sustainable product, increasing of the forest product is another step towards the conservation of the forest resources. If we use a plastic or iron furniture insert the wooden furniture, we may check use of forest product. Use of paper can be less by using the technology. Sustainable use of forest. So sustainable use of forest, sustainable forest and sustainable forest management is an particular of the region forest resources to meet the need of the society, industry, along with the preventing the forest health. A typical sustainable forest will be contain the trees of all age and often different species of the trees. As these trees material, they are all field and natural woods in a processed at the sawmills. Fill the trees are replaced with the seeding in the way of the forest, and we say consistently renewable. The first step of the typical sustainable forest is to survive the land. That is a part of sustainable forest project. In the project, not only the inventory of the timber is clear, but also various wild species present are taken care of. Otherwise, environment issues such as watershed proximity to urban areas and recreation used by human may be mentioned as a part of the same. Explains of the sustainable use of forest. Sustainable use of forest. Along the sustainable forest management product as a longer term values of a forest and a spatial practical or sustainable forestry project vary for the forest to forest. It depend on the spatial environment and extract resources to the extract from the forest. Selecting the logging. One of the example of the sustainable use of forest is the selecting the logging. Selecting the logging is a particular of a removing creation tree while the preserving the balance of the wooden. Selecting logging is more than consisting the more expensive than clearing the trees, but it present the forest assets, allowing your trees time to matures. Another examples of the sustainable forest practices is allowing your trees to maturely. The young trees may be valuable, but it is a value increase when it is a much earlier. Sustainable use of forest will be taken into the account of potential values of trees and daily the harvest of the eliminated trees, planting of the trees and extended forest land. So the trees are planned to extend the forest land and the creation of the protect the forest to provide the safe habits and the various parts and the animal, spatial and other example of the sustainable forest. Controlling the burning. Controlling the burning to encourage the forest regeneration to another sustainable forest. Particular it is involve concentrations monitoring of the health of the forest and working with the local communities to the ensure the preserve of a cultural heritage related to the forest. Training. Another important aspect of the any sustainable forest plan to traveling the forestly works. They are training such as a way that you understanding the benefits of sustainable forest. So in this way we see the forest and it's as a natural resource. Second resource is the environmental problem aspected with the water. That is also very important. Environment problems associated with the water. So we are facing day by day the environmental problem. So what I say, the between 19 to 1995 global water consumptions rose sixfold, which is mold doubts and related to the population growth. Nevertheless, environmental problems regarding the water resources are quite significant due to the growth of water consumptions and water pollution. So degradation of water resources. So that is the water pollution. That we know water pollution is a major global problem which is required the ongoing elevation and reservation of the water resources policy at the international level to individual unique affairs as well. About 90% of water in the cities of China is polluted. Has been observed that water pollution is the leading worldwide cause of the death and diseases according to the death of more than 14,000 people died and estimated 580 people in India died of water pollution. Related to illness every day, there are many different types of water pollution and all have a different adverse effect on the environment. Thus of following the water pollution, domestic wastage and sewage. Domestic wastage on the main sources of water pollution, organic waste given the rise to scheme and sewage to make the water unfit to recreation and industries use. Modern the day degradation degrade very slowly. There are therefore accumulate the range of the water unfit of human and animal use. The phosphate present and deterioration further. Similar alga the growth of adds to the organic loading of the water. Industrial efficiency. The industrial waste are allowed to pass into the water bodies. Industrial waste from the content may be toxic components of the damages of the health, acquire the animals, mercury released during the combustion of the coal, smelling the matric ores, the papers and plants industries. These process in the water the gets the changes into the water salt and enter the food chain accumulated by biological and ecological implication. Some toxins affect the reproduction success of the marine life, resulting into the disappearation in the community. Such structure of the acquired environment. The coastal or lake pollution also affect the human health due to seafood and the direct content. The human beings feels on the position the animal fish development, creeping, deforestation called the mineral diseases. The source of the land pollution are the smaller, better industries, paint, chemical, and prescribed industrial automobiles, etc. In the causes, in this way, there are a number of causes that we see. On the basis of that, the rivers and other water bodies that they kill the fish and other aquatic life beside the being the toxic of human being. Microbial pollutions of the sewage leads to influencing diseases that infect the aquatic life and territorial life through the drinking water. Thus, the increase of the number of mortality is observed within the environment in the year 2000, and about 2.3 billion people suffered from the waterborne diseases such as the dysentery, cholera, typhoid. According to the WHO, World Health Organization, about 1.1 billion people do not have access to clean water to meet their basic daily needs, and of the 22.5 billion people acquiring sanitization in absence. This condition leads to the last 5 million deaths every year from the waste related diseases. Surf rain off. So surf rain of water such as a stream, lake, rivers become the polluted when the rainwater runoff carried pollution like salt and chemical from a city, a nuclear and fertilizer from the farmer's lawn into the water. Okay, then the thermal pollution. Thermal pollution is a degradation of water quality by any process of a changes emanated water temperature. A common causes of the thermal pollution is use of water and coolant by power plants and industries manufacture. When the water is used, coolant is returned into the natural environment as a higher temperature. The changes in the temperature decrease the oxygen supply and affect the ecosystem consumption. So in this way we can see the water pollution. Okay, so some water pollution part is to be remain, that we will see in a second part, in a B part. Thank you.